Hi everyone. Not sure, but I think these are acrylic. So, I don't like using anything that ain't metal, but I guess it would make the earring lighter, so I'm going to go ahead and go with them. These are head pins. They're 2 inches long. And we're going to make a pair of earrings for the 4th of July. So I've got that's about a 10 millimeter, might be 12. Not sure. We're going to put one bead cap on each side. And then we're going to take a red one, a spacer, and a blue bead. I forgot my ear wires. That's what it's going to look like. Just take that and put your other bead cap on. Get a red one, a spacer, and a blue one. And you can wear these to your 4th of July picnic or something. Go about a 1/2 inch up. I'll measure that because I eyeball it. Yep, about a 1/2 inch. Do the other one. About a 1/2 inch. So these are wire cutters, they're flush cutters. You'll need a pair of round nose. And you just bend it back. Don't break your bead whenever you do that, because some beads are fragile. And then just roll it down. And then we'll bend it back. Whoops, I slipped off the end. Now, you'll need a pair of chain nose pliers with no teeth on them. I opened a piece of bottle of glue up earlier or yesterday, and I got glue on my pliers. Open it up. Put that in there. Twist it. Open. Don't open like that. You twist it. Put your ear wire in, or your head pin in, and twist it back. Make sure there's no gaps, because you don't want your ear wire to come out, or your earring to come out. I hope y'all have a wonderful 4th of July, and and get to spend time with your family. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. And like and subscribe. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful 4th of July and get to spend time with family and friends. And if you get a chance, check out my other channels. I've got a rock channel and where we cut rocks, and I've got an art channel where I do watercolor. And eventually I'll do other stuff there. And until next time, y'all take care out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.